Hello, guys. I'm Haskell with WTI, and I'm a chocolate fan. So if you ever call me, you come to my house, you'll always find some chocolate in my fridge. And this pomegranate dark chocolate bag from Brookside is not the exception. This is a little bowl of smooth dark chocolate with a fruit flavored center. Personally, love the fruit, and being able to have chocolate plus the fruit in just one product is just great. This makes me happy, especially when I'm sick on that day of the month. I feel like eating something sweet. So I especially have this bag for those days when I'm not feeling that great. They have a wonderful taste. It's just like a mix of chocolate and fruity taste. If you like dark chocolate, but you don't like it to be too sweet, then this is a great option for you. So it's basically a small ball of chocolates, even smaller than a coin, but they have so much flavor. The texture is really soft and creamy once you start chewing it. I also love that the bag is resealable, which means it's reusable. You can use it for anything after you're done with your bunch of chocolates. So it basically means the bag doesn't go to waste and you can help the world be a better place while enjoying your chocolates. I'm ready to get my second bag of these because I'm just obsessed. I think you'll love them too, and that's my point of view.